Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2019 Subaru WRX STI Sport. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a dual transmission, backup camera, got this nice hood spoiler, got some nice black accents on this vehicle as well. We do get these nice cool looking rims with yellow brake calipers on each one. We got turn light indicator mirrors with heated door mirrors, got some nice carbon fiber accents, and moving to the front here, we do get that nice Subaru grille. Taking a look in the back here, you do get quite a bit of cargo space. You can collapse your last row if you need additional space. We do get more storage underneath with a spare tire and all your gears for that spare tire, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have these nice red seat belts. You got some black ones as well. We got this nice suede leathering, red and black, which adds a nice clean look to the vehicle. We do get cup holders, storage, you got the leathering and suede on the door, floor mats, carpet interior, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather and suede interior we saw in the back there. It is a Recaro leathering, which is pretty nice. Plenty of door space up front, Harman kardon sound system, blind spot, hood, or not hood, trunk, traction, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 37,304 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-up steering wheel with the red stitching. It is a sport steering wheel as well. ST line logo, or STI logo. Cruise control, toggle-free screen, phone, source, voice, volume, playback, play forward. And looking at our screen here, you can go for different messages, your SI drive, hours, kilometers an hour, and all that fun stuff. To remember, we got our parking brake cup holders, and it does close for a sleeker look, so you can put your phone there. More storage here with an aux, USBs, and a 12-volt. You got your sport mode, so your sport sharp, sport, intelligent, auto manual. You can change the differentials on each of your diffs. Your 6-speed manual transmission, more storage here with a 12-volt, dual climate up front. And looking over here again, we do get heated front seats. And we got our infotainment system that has navigation. We're going to go home real quick where we have phone, map, settings, radio, all your apps, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, AHA, Travel Link, Subaru, Starlink. We're going to go into radio where you have AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Pretty nice. All your apps again, radio, playback, play forward. You got a CD. And we do get this nice little screen up here as well that tells you information about the vehicle, such as your climate, your diff, fuel economy, and all that fun stuff. And above me, we do get our features for our little sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB83883B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.